Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed Calendly into Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my Squarespace account by filling my email address and password here. Now click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add Calendly into. Go to Pages. You can select one of these pages to embed your Calendly into, and you can also create a new blank page. Let's go with blank page. If you select one of these pages, just select it like that and make sure to click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. In my case, I will create a blank page, call it Calendly, hit enter. And same thing, I need to click on this edit button to go into the editing mode. Now let's create a blank section. Then click on this add block and look for code. You can go with the code block or the embed, it's the same thing. Now click on this little pen and let's get our embed code from Calendly. This is Calendly website, and first I don't have an account yet, so I will sign up using my Google account. Let's give them access and continue. How do you plan on using Calendly? On my own. What is your role? A marketing. Set up how your calendar will be used. Let's check for conflicts, add to calendar. Here you should select the calendar you would like to add new events to as they're scheduled. You can select your Google account, Gmail, click on next. Now set your available hours. For example, I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday I don't work, so I will uncheck it like that. Let's say that I work for Saturday. You should check it, edit the working hours from 8 to 6 p.m. for example. You can add another time, let's say from 9 to 12, for 12:30 to, and from 2 p.m. to 7. Time zone, make sure to use your correct time zone and click on next. I want to check this calendar, select date and time. This is just a photo. How would you like to meet with people? I want to meet in person. Set your location, my office. Click on continue. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now that you're in this events page, just click on the event you've just created. As you can see, this is a preview, and you can also see it live in an external page. Just like that. As you can see, this is my name, the session duration. I don't think I selected 30 minutes. I will see if I can edit it, and also the location. And here's the calendar. As you see, Fridays are off, and same thing with Sundays. And from here, your website visitor can change the time zone. Let's go back to our Calendly editing page. Let's say that you want to edit this session duration. Just go to event details and you can give it a new name and also set the duration from this list. You can also edit the location and add a description here. Click on, let's edit it to 1 hour and hit save and close. Let's preview it live. The duration was edited, but I forgot about the title or the event name. Let's call it 1 hour meeting. And just like that, you can edit your calendar. Under the booking page options, you can edit your event link and also the booking form. You can add a question, for example, and select the answer type from one line, multiple lines, radio buttons, checkbox, or drop down, or even a phone number. And for notifications and workflows, from this panel, you can enable reminders like email, text, or email follow-up, just like that. Click on these three dots and turn it on. Hit save and close. Now let's see how to embed Calendly into Squarespace. Just click on the event you've just created and hit this share button. Go to add to website. You can select between inline embed, a pop-up, or a pop-up text. I will go with inline embed. Click on continue. Now select this code, copy it, go back to Squarespace and replace this code with the one from Calendly. Click on save to save your work and exit this page to go into the preview mode. And this is how to add or to embed Calendly into Squarespace. I want to check if I can edit the width of this code. Click on edit from the top and let's make it a little bit bigger, just like that. Click on save and same thing, exit and go into the preview mode. And I think this is better. And this is how to embed Calendly into Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.